Imagine climbing inside a submarine, hearing the metal hatch slam shut behind you, and then someone tells you, "All right, crew, forget the ocean. Today, we're going to space." No training, no redesign, no NASA involvement, just a regular deep-sea submersible and a very confident, possibly very confused captain. At first, it sounds almost logical. Both space and the deep ocean are dark, cold, silent, and absolutely hostile to human life. Both require pressurized vessels, oxygen supply, thick hulls, and a healthy fear of being instantly crushed into a human pancake. But the moment the submarine leaves Earth's atmosphere, everything you thought made sense falls apart faster than your sanity at 3 a.m.
Submarines are designed to fight pressure from the outside pushing inward. The deeper the sub goes, the harder the ocean squeezes it like a hydraulic press. That's why their hulls are thick, curved, and built to resist collapse. But space doesn't work that way. There's no pressure outside, just a vacuum. Instead of being crushed, the submarine is now a pressurized can trying desperately not to explode outward. It's like taking a submarine designed to survive the weight of an elephant and asking it to survive the pull of a cork popping out of a champagne bottle. The hull starts groaning, the bolts start whispering their last goodbyes, and everyone inside is seriously reconsidering life choices. Then comes the next problem. Submarines need water, not for drinking, for everything else. The ballast tanks that control floating and diving suddenly become useless. In space, filling them with air doesn't make you rise, and filling them with water doesn't make you sink. You're just a drifting steel pickle jar floating in the void. The propellers? Completely dead. You could spin them as fast as you want. Nothing happens. No water means no thrust. Your engines are now just expensive spinning fans making dramatic noises while accomplishing absolutely nothing.
Even if the crew somehow slapped on rocket boosters, probably duct taped to the hull in a heroic but questionable engineering effort, the submarine still has another fatal flaw: temperature. In the ocean, water steals heat quickly, so subs generate warmth constantly. In space, heat has nowhere to go. The submarine would slowly turn into a giant oven, cooking the crew like astronaut-flavored rotisserie chicken. The metal hull traps the heat from every system inside, from lights to electronics to the humans themselves. Within hours, the temperature could rise to life-ending levels. Within days, the crew would be begging for the cold, dark ocean they once feared. But even if the temperature didn't kill them, radiation would. Submarines are not built to protect you from cosmic rays, solar storms, or bursts of highly enthusiastic ionized particles flying through space at ridiculous speeds. In deep water, radiation isn't a problem. Water itself blocks it. In space, water is gone, and the hull is too thin to stop the cosmic fireworks show outside. The crew would get the equivalent of thousands of X-rays, but with less medical benefit and significantly more dying. Communication? Also a disaster? Submarines use sonar underwater. Sonar in space is as useless as shouting underwater while wearing earplugs. No medium means no sound. The crew might try radio, but the submarine systems aren't built for it, and the metal hull would block no signals. Imagine floating through the infinite nothingness, screaming, "Hello?" while mission control hears nothing but static and someone eating chips. Life support becomes the final boss. Submarines recycle air, but not forever. They carry oxygen tanks and scrub CO2, but everything is calculated for a mission underwater lasting days, not months or years. Once the oxygen runs out, the crew faces two options: suffocate slowly or open the hatch and let the vacuum solve the problem much faster. Eventually, the submarine becomes a drifting tomb, silent, cold, and perfectly preserved.
Ironically, the one environment submarines are built to master, the ocean, becomes unreachable forever. A vessel designed to explore the deepest trenches ends up lost in the shallowest emptiness of all. Space.
So, could a submarine work as a spaceship? Technically, yes, for a few minutes. As long as your definition of work includes malfunctioning immediately and turning its crew into vaporized space dumplings. But hey, at least the view would be incredible.